Sometimes I just like to stand there and think. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I'm Lexus and this is Nom Nom to Fitness. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to spice up and upgrade your boring ramen. Now I love ramen, but sometimes it can be quite boring. So I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple creamy ramen recipe. So let's hop right into it. So the first thing I'm going to start off by doing is sauteing in a little bit of grapeseed oil on a large skillet. Is a half cup of onions. I'm using 1/4 cup of green onions and 1/4 cup of diced yellow onions. I'm gonna let that cook down on medium-low heat, get nice and golden brown. Then I'm going to season it with some sea salt and some black pepper. I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of red Thai curry paste. I got this from Sprouts, but most grocery stores have it. I'm gonna let that cook down for about 1 minute. Then I'm going to add 4 cups of veggie broth. We're gonna bring that to a boil and let it simmer for about 5 minutes. And now we're going to make the paste to go inside. Oh, my earring just fell out. Hold on. So for the paste, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of agave syrup, the juice of 1 lime, a half cup of creamy peanut butter. If you don't want it to be so peanut buttery, then add 1/4 cup of peanut butter and not a half cup of peanut butter. 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and I believe that's it. Mix that all up and add it to the pot. Next, I'm going to add in some frozen Asian style veggies. I love this because it has green beans in it, broccoli, mushroom, watercress, carrots, peppers, so it's very convenient. Just toss it in there. And I'm going to add 2 packages of some plain ramen noodles. Salt to taste, just let it cook down until all the noodles are tender. Now you can add your toppings. I'm adding cilantro, green onions, some crushed red pepper flakes, put some lime in there. And now you have an upgraded, creamy, delicious ramen. So look at these noodles. Okay, so if you want to spice up your life and spice up your boring ramen, then make this recipe. I'd appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell button so you can be notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.